So blissful morning, beautiful people. So listen, if you follow my YouTube channel, which is Naturals Tribe, you know that we're getting ready to travel. The whole business, myself, the entire business, we're en route to the other side of the world. So this meal that I'm preparing this morning is my well, let me see. Today's Sunday, Monday, Tuesday. So we had 2 more days on island before we leave the lovely island of Grenada. But my vegan experience yesterday was so awesome at Akasha. The vegan experience. Check my YouTube channel out. So this is day 4. What is this? Day 5 or day 4 of my vacation where I'm just doing nothing but loving on me. But that vegan experience, that food was so good. I had sauteed mushrooms. I had everything you see here. I might be adding a little bit more. I'm going to do garlic. I don't remember no garlic yesterday, but I'm going to do garlic. Yeah, might have been. Their spices were so intense and heavy. I got my onion, my kale. So I'm doing my breakfast. 2 more breakfasts on the island. And then I'm coming over to America where the food is tainted for real, y'all. Watch I gain all my weight back. But I'm not doing it. So listen. I'm going to try to do what they did. Now, I'm going to use some browning to saute my mushroom and my onion and everything. But that food was so good yesterday. Listen, I'm getting ready to do it. I'll let you know how it turns out. So, when you come to the island of Grenada, you must have your vegan experience at Akasha. Now, this is my version. Let me see, because I got a little thing going on. Let me see. Okay, beautiful people. This is day 4 of our vacation. On my own island, in my own land. I am taking a vacation. What a beauty. But we're traveling. So this is day 4. Packing this morning. We still chilling and relaxing on vacation. Carry on. Check in. Breakfast. So we're into day 4. We'll probably just groove to some nice conscious music, dance all around the house. Make sure the suitcases are ready. The laptop will go right in its space here. It's ready. The sandals will be on my feet. I have my jacket, a couple scarves. Because where I'm going, I know I'm going to need some of that at least till the end of May. We are ready. This is day 5. We'll spend most of our time out here today. Let us prepare some food. My only 2 sauces. It's going to be my coconut oil. Pure from the island. Look at that. I wish I could bring a whole bunch with me. Look at that. Made right here on the island. Grenada. Yes, and this is browning. And most of all, me love me browning.